just found a spider. Spider right here, right here. When I get back. Right here. See it right there?
That spider is annoying.
Oh.
A spider. The spider's coming after you, Tony.
That is a natural spider right there. Gosh. It wasn't my brother was playing. Oh my gosh. It's on the straw now. Okay. My brother was playing on this water for some reason. He's gonna jump on you. He's playing with this water. And spider just came along. Brother was scared. He was like screaming. And look at that. Look at that spider.
In my yard.
I'm gonna zoom in more.
Not coming after me. Ah, chasing me. Go.
That is a cool spider. We never seen this in Huntington Beach. There's not usually these kind of white spiders. Maybe it's a wolf spider. It's just white. Guys, tell me, what is this spider? On the comments below. What is this kind of type? It's cool. I'm gonna touch it. Okay. Looks so cool. Dude, I'm feeling it. What the heck? It feels so weird.
Let me go.
Put it back. Oh my gosh. He's going off the straw. Oh guys, you saw that? He literally just jumped out of it.
Are you lying?
Guys,
What?
it's like a white spider. Right there.
Wait.
Oh, Tony, don't kill that. No, I'm not gonna kill it. It's nature.
Kill it, Tony.
It's gonna jump on you. You better go home.
Bro, it's a jumping spider. You don't want that in our house. Step in it now.
No.
Because